All right, question 7. Find the roots of y equals x squared minus 10x plus 34. So negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So b is negative 10, a is 1, and c is 34. See if I can fit this in here. I'll get out. Might run out of space. All right, negative becomes positive 10 plus minus 10 squared is 100. 4ac, so all this, 4 times 30 is 120. 4 times 6 is 60. So minus 136 all over 2. Now we have a negative in our square root. So that comes out as an I. And square root of 36 is equal to 6. They're all even, 10, 6, and 2. So we can divide them all by 2. So we get 5 plus minus 3i. All right, 4 questions left. So simplify the expression. We are adding here. We don't need to change any numbers, so recognize like terms. 12 and 15 add up to 27. Negative 5i and 9i adds to 4i. Number 9, we do have a negative, so we're going to have to change both these signs. So we get negative 6 plus 7i. Negative 6 and 4 gives us negative 2. And then 2i plus 7i gives us 9i. We have a division and a multiplication. I'm going to do number 11 first. I'm going to multiply first because division actually has 2 multiplication in it. So we get a box. And we have 8 and I, 9 and negative 5i. 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times I is 9i. 8 times negative 5i is negative 40i. And then negative 5i times I is negative 5i squared. Don't forget, I squared equals negative 1. So negative 1 times negative 5 turns into a positive 5. So now we're going to add like terms. We have a 72 and a 5, which turns into 77. And then we have negative 40 plus 9, which is 31i. Now simplify the expression, division of complex numbers. So we need to multiply this by the conjugate, which means we look at this guy, and we write it again, except we change the sign in the middle. Now this is where we have 2 different multiplication problems. We have to do the top. So let's do that real quick. So we get 3 and I, 6 and 7i. 6 times 3 is 18. 6i, 21i, and then 7i squared. Remember, this becomes negative 7 now. So the top of our equation is 18 minus 7, which is 11, and 21i plus 6i, which is 27i. Now let's do the bottom. We'll do that one in blue. Here is our bottom. So we have 6 minus 7i, 6 plus 7i. 6 times 6 is 36. Negative 42i, positive 42i, and minus 49i squared. This becomes a positive 49. So we have 36 plus 49. 30 and 40 is 70. 6 and 9 is 15. So we get 85. And by design, remember, these two things should cancel out. So all we have left are numbers without an I, which, remember, this becomes 49. So we are done.